If you're new to my channel, my name is Peter. I scout tracks, plan races and teach people how to ride. And on this channel you'll find all kinds of epic enduro rides, how-to tutorials, breakdown analysis of riding techniques, as well as documentary style videos from all around the world. So subscribe down below and join me on Facebook and Instagram as Peter Weiss, Hard Enduro Rider. And very close to here is where a lot of them usually just start the ride. I saw from over there that there is another kind of trail going up here. It doesn't look like something these motor guys have done. It could be a running event, walking. Anyways, I'm gonna try and see if I can get up there. Mucho gas, not so mucho, just enough. Oh, this 350 beta that evidently uses fly gas, VP probably it is. It smells exactly like that. It burns way quicker. Deep. All right, time to go zigzagging. Traction, let's go! Hey! 4-stroke! Here we go! Woohoo! Yeah! Oh yeah! That was awesome. Looks like I got myself into another gold trail destroyed. I guess I follow the tape. Oh shit, here we go. Wow. This is extreme. Nice. I like it. That was one of the most intense downhills I've ever done. Now I'm gonna do the one next to it, up, and see if it's sort of the same. I think it is. Don't try this at home, kids. It's going to take some time to find good trails. This one shouldn't do. Made it all the way